passes, but we'll take you out to Route 9 and still rough conditions out there depending on where you are. And watch out for the ice as well. That can be a real problem. You see out there a driver having some issues as well. So again, be careful when you head out to the roadway. We spoke with a gentleman earlier who drove down to these parts, Marlboro, from Perth Amboy.
Came over the Victory Bridge there. It was pretty good until I hit just about Old Bridge. And then it was a lot of snow there. But just getting out of the side streets. My wife and I were out at 5 o'clock this morning shoveling for 2 hours. Went back in, had some breakfast, called in and said I'll be late.
Yeah, I think a lot of folks have been calling in and saying they'll be a little late today, which is understandable considering all the snow we're dealing with. Now, again, when you head out to the roadways and in the parking lots, you know, the plows have done everything they can to try and clear it out for you, but don't forget, still that thin layer of ice underneath. That is something to be concerned about. Also, around the house, try and clear out the fire hydrants if they're covered in snow. I know they have the little flag there, but they still have to get to the connections. So clear them out, help out your fire department, your letter carriers as well. Clear out your mailbox area if you can. A lot of folks going to be trying to get their jobs done today. They can get a little assistance from you around your home. That will certainly be helpful to